Hey everybody, Joe with TAP Solutions here. Do believe that the drone is going to be capturing that house right over there. We'll be driving it with this, and of course, keeping an eye on the sky. As you can see, it's going to be landing behind me now. And all of that's automated, of course. Guys, if you're interested in doing any other drone photography, or video or anything like that, as this thing is, all these things are screaming at me at the same time, there we go. If you're interested in any of this sort of services that we're able to provide for that, do let us know. Say something in the comments below. There's definitely a lot of really great drones out there you can utilize. Definitely get your certification, of course, but on top of that, fly fun, fly safe, and hey guys, if you have any questions, feel free to put them down below as well. All right guys, take care.